Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Lindt Lindor Cheesecake. Let's begin. So to start this cheesecake you'll want to melt your chocolate as it does need time to cool down. So whether you're melting it over a bowl of simmering water or in the microwave, make sure that your bowl is heat proof. So once it's melted, set it aside and allow it to cool. So to make the base of your cheesecake you'll want to place your biscuits into your food processor or food bag and just blitz them together or bash them together until they are more of a crumb consistency. So once you've achieved crumb consistency, you will then want to add in your butter and just mix the two until they are well combined. You will notice that it goes from looking like sand to wet sand. So once you've got the base made, you can then transfer that into a 6-inch cake tin and compress it down either using the back of a spoon or a cup measurement. A cup measurement works really well. Once it's fully compressed, you can then put that in the fridge while you make your filling. So to make the filling, you'll want to get yourself a large bowl and place in the soft cheese and the icing sugar and mix these two together until they are well combined. Once they are combined, you will notice that the consistency of the mixture has changed, but don't worry, it will thicken up later. Next, it's time to add in that melted chocolate that you prepared earlier on, making sure that you get as much of it into the mixture as possible. So you'll want to whisk in the melted chocolate until it's fully incorporated. You'll know once it's fully incorporated, the mixture has become one solid colour and the consistency has become a little thicker than it was earlier. So next you'll want to add in your double cream and just whisk that in until it's fully combined and the mixture has become so thick it can hold its own shape. This doesn't take very long to incorporate, so be careful not to over whisk at this stage. So once the double cream has been fully worked in, you can then give your bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So then you can put all of the cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base that you made earlier on and level it off as best you can using an offset or a cranked palette knife. So then place into the fridge and allow to set. So for the whipped cream that will be piped on top of the cheesecake, into a small bowl or jug you will want to place all of your cream along with some vanilla and some icing sugar and whisk that all together until it's become thicker in consistency. So once the cream holds its own shape, you can then transfer that into a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle or whichever nozzle you prefer. So now that everything is ready, all you need to do is remove the cheesecake from the tin and set it onto a plate or cake stand of your choice, and then pipe on the whipped cream around the edge of the cheesecake. Again, this is optional, but feel free to use it. So then you can pipe rosettes all around the edge. I know these wasn't the neatest, but I didn't realise how bad they looked until I started editing. So onto the rosettes that you've just piped, you can place a few of the Lindt Lindor chocolate truffles. I'm using the milk chocolate variety, but feel free to use whichever you like. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back again soon with another upload. I know that my uploads have been a bit here and there throughout December, but that's because of other commitments and issues I've got going on in my personal life, which have been affecting my YouTube, but don't worry, this will all go back to normal in January. So if you have any video suggestions for the future, feel free to let me know. And don't forget to check out my social media and my blog. I will leave all the links and everything you need to know in the description down below. So if you're interested in making this, check out the links in the description down below for any information that you need. And that's all for today. Bye guys.